What if I told you some volcanoes scream before they explode? And no, it's not a myth. Deep underground, pressure builds as magma pushes its way up. But just before the eruption, something eerie happens. A volcano can release high-pitched sounds like a warning cry, caused by gas and magma forcing their way through cracks. Scientists call this harmonic tremor, and it can last for hours or even days. It's nature's alarm system, but when the screaming stops, that's when the real danger begins. Moments later, boom! The volcano erupts, sending ash and lava into the sky. What's the scariest natural disaster you can think of? Let us know in the comments.